for the aspiring entrepreneurs who are about to start a business in 2026, who are right now figuring out an idea? What are those two ideas would be?
Which therapy you have to go with. You should do the mantra jap, what mantra jap you should do and how. But I think right from December 2025 till May 2026, इसके बीच में अचानक ही ड्यू टू सम बैड न्यूज
Millionaires don't believe in astrology, billionaires do. Behind every business decision, there is a pattern, a cycle, a timing that human eyes cannot see. There's an alignment. While most people chase the logic, the smartest ones are chasing the alignment. And today we have someone who aligns that statistical and mystical world for a lot of business owners. We have Vaibhav, who is a geopolitical astrologer, and today we are going to unfold a lot about making business decisions using geopolitical astrology. Welcome to another episode of the Success Brew podcast, which we have built for the community, by the community, and just to give you insights so that you can make your business better, faster, and precise. Welcome to the Success Brew podcast, Vaibhav. How are you doing today?
I'm good, and thanks for the invitation.
Okay, so let's start with your name first of all. So normally people called Vaibhav are Vaibhav, and your spelling is Wybhav.
Yeah, that is
So would love to know more about the significance behind this particular spelling.
Yeah, so actually my father was a numerologist, but he was a numerologist by his just as a hobby. So he was never professional in it. But when I was born, so he wanted to align my name number with my date of birth.
Okay.
So if we will write Vaibhav as Wybhav, then the name number will come to 21.
Okay.
Which is one of the very few name numbers which are having a very good meaning. In numerology, right from name number which amounts to like 15 up to 45, I would say there are only 5 to 6 numbers which have really good meaning about them, and people should keep those numbers to be successful in life.
Okay.
So 21 is one of those numbers, and I would like to tell people here that 19, 21, 23 and 27 are one of those numbers.
Okay.
So he wanted to give me a name where the name number is a good number and it should align with my date of birth also. So that's why it is WYBHAV.
So what is the meaning of 21?
So 21 basically is 2 plus 1 is number 3.
Okay.
So it represents Jupiter, which is the most auspicious and the biggest planet of our solar system, and it protects our planet also from all the comets and everything. और वो spirituality हो, knowledge हो, for good luck, money, prosperity, everything, fame. Jupiter is the best planet in our horoscope in any case.
Okay.
And it also, and if you 21 is 2 plus 1, so it is moon plus sun.
Oh.
Okay, so moon is number 2 is moon and number 1 is sun.
Sun.
So sun and moon are both royal planets and they are friends of Jupiter. So actually 21 itself is a very good combination because it will take both sun, moon, and sun is Atma Karak, moon is our Karak of our man. So both are very important for thinking. हम कुछ भी सोचेंगे तो चंद्रमा खराब हुआ तो सोच ही नहीं पाएंगे.
Right.
And sun will be very important for doing good things in life, for that the person should not do the wrong thing, then sins वगैरह, उससे बचने के लिए sun is very important. So sun, moon, Jupiter, all three are together in 21. So it is a very good number, yes.
Awesome. And 3 also is a number of creative energy, right?
Yes, creative energy is, so basically Jupiter, number 3, is a planet of masses. So it is related to creativity, which is related to knowledge. New knowledge, old knowledge, ancient knowledge, mantras, Vedas, everything. As such, if someone is having Venus with Jupiter, though these are enemy planets, but creativity in real sense is also associated with Venus. So all the people who are actors, singers, dancers, musicians, they will be having very good Venus for the creative thing and the talent. But they will get that level of respect and everything through Jupiter.
ठीक है. So Weber, would love to know more about your journey. Like you said, your father was a numerologist, and you were born and brought up in Delhi itself.
Yeah, I am born and brought up in Delhi. I've studied in DCSE college for my
Okay.
graduation, and I'm an MBA in finance.
So, like from your childhood kind of a thing, did you had any diversion or inclination towards astrology, or you were a normal child studying in the school and planning his career? Take us through that journey a bit.
Yeah, so I think because of my father being an employee, so I always had a lot of interest in these things. And at a very young age, I think I was just 7 or 8, I knew that Sun is denotes number 1, and Rahu is 4, and number 9 is
Okay.
Mars. And before I was in college, I started reading these zodiac books, for our sun sign, that how are Aries people. So I had a lot of interest, but these was only regarding interest and for time pass. We never as a family believed in astrology, or we were from the same uh, kind of culture where people think that willpower and hard work is everything, and there is no such thing as the future is decided and things. So that way I was never into astrology. So I came into it accidentally, through an accident actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please explain
Yeah.
about explain
So
about that.
I think that is how destinies are, made, and people they get into things that they are meant to be. So what happened was that in 2003, I'm from a business family. We were into chemicals.
Okay.
So I started a restaurant in 2001, which was not going well. So many people told me that you should, go to an astrology consult, and I said no, I'm not interested. I don't believe in. But because when you start feeling and feeling and feeling with a lot of hard work, so finally I went to an astrologer in 2003 itself, and he told me that restaurant will not work in any case, and he told me that you should not go. This is a very specific thing. He said you should not go to hilly areas alone.
Okay.
I said okay, but I didn't really think much about what he said, and being a restaurateur, the only time I had my holidays was Navaratras, and I was fond of going to mountains. So every Navaratras I used to go to mountains alone.
Okay.
So November came, and October में मैं था, and I was in I was in Manali, and I was actually at Rohtang Pass,
Oh.
that height, in 2001. मतलब by technology and by all means, and I had a very bad accident there. I fell, and I had many broken bones and everything, and there was no way I could come back myself. Then my family had to come. Then we have to, it was a very tough time. So after my surgeries, I was in hospital, and one of my family members only told me that you only said 3 months back that someone told me not to go to the mountains alone. That was the time I realized.
Yeah.
And I was amazed, and I was like, this cannot be happening, this is not true. So I immediately, and then thankfully I got in contact with my teacher. His name is Mr. Kapil Tyagi.
Okay.
He did astrology from Bharati Vidya Bhavan. In 1998, he was a silver medalist, and he came into my contact,
Okay.
and I learned astrology from him. So I want to make this very clear, because in earlier podcasts also I have tell about this, but my new clients still call me, and they said that you have done it from Bharati Vidya Bhavan. No,
Okay.
I learned it from Mr. Kapil Tyagi, who was a student of Bharati Vidya Bhavan.
Perfect.
At that time, he used to teach also. So before I was back on my feet, I was already doing because I was in crutches for like few months. So I did my course for like a year or so, and after that everything changed. Everything changed, and I don't know. This is a very good, how God makes you feel that this is what you are going to do in life. So in my restaurant, I was working very hard, and I also started cooking food. And whenever my cook and assistant cook would be absent, I would start, and this was very hard time. I was doing everything. I was doing home deliveries, everything. And after I did the course, I was still in the middle of the course. I went to Dubai for just a small vacation, and someone there said that he's an astrologer, and I started predicting. And within 5 days, people were sending, their cars with chauffeur from Sharjah to Dubai. Call that guy. We want a prediction. And at that time, I started charging like 200 dirhams. That was my first fees. So basically, honestly speaking, you are sitting in a Lexus or something, and you don't know how it works. You are like sitting here. You are thinking, you are making food in that kitchen, and next day you are here,
Yeah.
and you have told them that I am on a vacation. I read horoscope for 4 days. Now I want to enjoy, and they are sending people and whatever. So that was a time I could see that something else is going on, and so that was 2003 end. So now it's been 20 years that I have been predicting to people about their career, health, and everything. And
Wow.
Yeah.
And you have global clients coming to you, like you started in the way itself.
Yeah, that
right?
yeah, yeah.
Right. So normally when your clients come to you, what kind of people are these?
Mhm.
And majorly what kind of problems, statements they come to you with regards to their business or money? And with your kind of predictions, how much they could grow? Like if we can put certain number to it, maybe.
Okay.
Right.
Right. So see, earlier till 2020, normally people who were doing good jobs at a good level, like country heads and so, or people who are into business and multiple business, they used to come. Normally their wives, and all the men should be thankful to their wives, because I think 90% of the time is the wives or sisters who are asking, "Mere husband ka aise," they would only call me when they are listening to my prediction for a couple of years, and they know, yaar, yes se baat karni
Correct.
chahiye. That is that. So, but now I am on social media from 2020. Corona mein I came because people, all my clients started telling me that why don't you just predict on the YouTube channel rather than telling everybody kab kya hone wala hai. So from then, I think right from all states of India and from all many parts of the world, now I have all kind of clients, right from very simple people that I love to talk to, from Bihar to Gujarat, and then people who are from US and Canada, and they are into supermarkets and everything, and they want the answers for the future. What they mainly ask, so two things they normally ask me. One is obviously career and money, and second is health. So I think the blessing with me had been that I do not predict in a general way. Each and every prediction that I give to everybody is time bound.
Okay.
This will happen and this will happen, suppose from 2nd of July, between 2nd of July to 3rd of August.
Okay.
This is it. So I never say कि ये काम हो जाएगा, time अच्छा हो जाएगा, ये सब में I don't believe. So I have to tell them that what kind of business they should go in.
Okay.
For example, so in anybody's horoscope, 10th house and 11th house are the houses of career and money. And if you want to go in partnerships and big businesses, then we count 10th from 10th.
Okay.
10th house से आप 10 count कर 7th house आ जाएगा. So and the planet sitting in that particular house. For example, if somebody is having Venus in that house, then that person should go into beauty, art, glamour, creativity, media, and
Got it.
talent. If someone is having Mars in that house, then they should go with army and IPS and police and all these combat sports and all that, cricket in some way. So my job is to tell them that now you are starting this particular dasha. Suppose a particular dasha is over, which was of Venus. Now Mars, Venus ke baad you will start Sun. So Sun will be a planet which is it is related to fame. It is related to life-giving things. So
Right.
you should now change into these particular products or services,
Got
and
it.
this is the way you should go.
So basically, a business can even understand that what kind of a product line they should pivot into,
Yes.
as per their own understanding of the dashas
Of their
and the kundli
with
and
their own
astrology.
horoscope,
Okay.
the kind of product they should go in, the kind of services they should go in, which community they should target. For example, in some horoscopes, it is planetary position is in such a way that you will get success only when you will go in a foreign land or a place away from your own birthplace.
Got
So
it.
they are doing everything, but they are not getting success because they are still in their place of birth.
Got it.
So that way. And then second most important question comes always is the health.
Right.
So it is very important. My main job is to tell a person that in next 1 or 2 years, whatever, next 10 years, these are your weak body parts. Whenever you will have problem, you will have problem with these body parts. In next months and years, you will have problem with specifically these body parts, and which therapy you have to go with. That you will not get any result from allopathy. You should go to homeopathy, you should go to Ayurveda, you should go to naturopathy.
Wow.
And sometimes people, they do not get cured because they are in a particular field, an area or whatever. So they should go away to some other place and then they will get healed. So
Got it.
what will happen and how to get cure? Which are the mantras you should, which are the planet which is giving problems. So you should शांत उसको आप कैसे करोगे?
Got
You
it.
should do the mantra jap. What mantra jap you should do and how? So these are the two main questions. I think career, money, and health.
तो वैभव, जब हम एक इंसान की एस्ट्रोलॉजी चेक करते हैं तो हमारे पास एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट होता है, उनका डेट, उनका प्लेस,
Place and
उनका
time of birth.
टाइम ऑफ बर्थ एंड ऑल. So you are a geopolitical astrologer. Like for me, it was a surprise to understand that there's a specific field in astrology also, which is like geopolitical understanding and कि दुनिया भर के इवेंट्स कैसे होंगे और उसकी वजह से क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा. तो जब आप जियोपॉलिटिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजी चेक करते हो कि किस टाइप के इवेंट्स होंगे, सो हाउ डू यू पिक अप अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट? उसमें भी कुछ होता है ऐसा कंट्री को लेके या किसी इवेंट को लेके?
तो जी एवरीथिंग हैज टू हैव अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट, कहीं ना कहीं से तो हमें उसको शुरू करना ही पड़ेगा. सो एक तो एवरी कंट्री हैज अ हॉरोस्कोप. फॉर एग्जांपल इंडिया की हॉरोस्कोप आपने कई बार सुना होगा. पीपल से इंडिया एज पर इंडियाज हॉरोस्कोप, एज पर इंडियाज हॉरोस्कोप, व्हिच इज 14th of August रात को 12 बजे की मानी जाती है, 1947 की.
ठीक है,
जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान. तो ऐसे ही ऑल कंट्रीज हैव सम और द अदर हॉरोस्कोप जो कहीं ना कहीं यू विल गेट ऑन द इंटरनेट. सो दैट इज वन स्मॉल रेफरेंस पॉइंट.
ओके.
Then see, now when things will go bad, how they will go bad. So see, astrology is a lot about imagination.
ओके.
How much you can think कि you just know one thing कि मंगल is a planet of war. सबको पता है, और astrologers are they know that. But how many, the way you can interpret it in many more ways. तो जब भी if I'll see that in next 1 or 2 years Mars is getting hit again and again through its enemy planets, या तो वो नीच का हो रहा है, यू हैव अ डेबिलिटेड मार्स फॉर ए वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. नॉर्मली मार्स की मूवमेंट 45 डेज की होती है. इट विल कम इन वन राशि 45 days and 45 then it also goes retrograde for some time. So if it is getting retrograde as a debilitated Mars, that is in Cancer, Mars in Cancer is debilitated, तो उसकी हालत खराब हो गई तो वो बहुत खराब करने वाला है और बहुत समय तक खराब करने वाला है.
ठीक है.
Then whenever war will happen because Mars will initiate it, तो क्या होगा, economy will go down, economies will go down और लोग को ऐसा. तो Jupiter will also fall into some problem and economies are run through Mercury, which is a planet of finance. तो जब आपको ये लगता है कि किसी कंट्री की, जैसे मैंने अभी I think in the month of April I predicted that in this particular week इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान का प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो जाएगा. और एग्जैक्टली इन 5 days, those 5 days, दैट इज ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल, पाकिस्तान को जो हमने सिंदूर ऑपरेशन किया और जो पहलगाम अटैक उसी टाइम पे हुआ था. सो दैट हैपन थ्रू बिकॉज इंडियन हॉरोस्कोप के साथ. सो रिगार्डिंग जियो पॉलिटिक्स, वेन एवर आई सी दैट द horoscope of a particular country is bad one, then all the important planets that can create war, that is Mars, Ketu, and then Jupiter and Mercury, because good planets are in bad situation and bad are in powerful position, तो ये खराब हो जाएगा सिस्टम.
ठीक है.
Thirdly, इसमें क्या होता है, इंट्यूशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी. इंट्यूशन तो मैं कहूँगा मेन ही होता है, बिकॉज इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड एबल टू सी व्हाट गॉड इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. भाई एक सपोज अंबानी इज ए वेरी बिग बिजनेसमैन और एनीबडी, ये लोग एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स नहीं है, पर कुछ तो उनके साथ मूव कर रहा है ना. सम पावर इज देयर विद देम,
राइट,
एंड दैट इज द पावर ऑफ प्लैनेट्स एंड गॉड. कि उनको एक दिन लगता है कल ये करेंगे, सुबह उठते ये नहीं करेंगे, ये करेंगे. क्या होता है उनके साथ, समथिंग हैपन्स. सिमिलरली हु इज एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर, एनी पर्सन हु इज प्रेडिक्टिंग फ्यूचर बाय एनी टेक्निक, उनके लिए ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है दैट दे शुड कीप देयर आइज एंड ईयर्स ओपन कि यार मेरे को भगवान क्या बोल रहा है. सो इफ आई एम ऑलरेडी थिंकिंग that war is going to happen in this world, and then suddenly I come back home and I see कि भाई घर में सब लोग शेरशाह बैठ के देख रहे हैं या रैम्बो चल रही है, then suddenly I would say यार मैं ये सोच रहा था, यही हो गया. Then suddenly next day I see a news that America और India have placed a very big order for ammunition, तो मुझे हो जाएगा ये होने ही वाला है, अब तो प्लैनेट पोजिशन चेक कर लो कि क्या है आगे. So this is the way geopolitical जब बैड होता है, तो this is the way I predict.
So basically, the smaller, very micro events happening around you, right from the family watching a war kind of a movie or something.
Any indication, I take it as an indication.
You take it as an astrologer, a predictor takes it as an indication that okay, I should check something.
Right.
Got it.
And to get that is one part. So, for example, on my YouTube channel, it was 2021 when I was going to predict the Russia-Ukraine war. So the words that came out of my mouth in that video, वो मैं उसके लिए ready नहीं था. It seems that the peace time for 77 years on the planet is coming to an end. Okay. Even I was surprised when I said that.
Okay.
because I saw that in next few years these positions, war type positions, are coming again and again.
Again and
तो वो
again.
आती जा रही थी. And then I predicted in, I think somewhere in 2021 October November, I said in my video that a war is going to start, and my own team who is posting my video were telling me, sir आजकल war कहाँ होता है. मैंने कहा यार मुझे तो लगता है हो जाएगा, जबकि मुझे लग रहा था कि ये तो है तो बड़ी प्रेडिक्शन ऐसी जो कि कोई करेगा नहीं. एंड देन इन जनवरी 2022 आई प्रेडिक्टेड दैट रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर विल स्टार्ट इन लास्ट वीक ऑफ फेब्रुअरी. And then now when we Google it, it happened on 24th of February 2022.
Wow.
So that is the way you exactly predict the exact date of events. मगर उसमें answering your question, the horoscope or any reference one whatever I have, the behavior of planets in next months and years, which we see in the Panchang होता है ना, Panchang
Yes.
is that only.
Okay.
Panchang tells us where the planet is going to move in next 1 year or 2 years.
Okay.
So I have to see that in advance कि ये क्या करने वाले हैं आगे, because Jupiter, if it's a savior, so last 1 year Jupiter was in Taurus. Taurus is a Rashi of Venus. Jupiter and Venus are anti. So you know, and Jupiter was in Taurus between somewhere between April 2024 to April 2025. तो इस टाइम में तो बहुत डैमेज हो गया लोगों का. ट्रू स्टॉक मार्केट्स जिसकी सारी प्रेडिक्शंस मैंने बाय डेट की हुई थी.
Correct.
So आवर गुड प्लैनेट्स आर इन बैड सिचुएशन. अगर आपको अपने दुश्मन के यहाँ जाके बैठना ही पड़ेगा 1 साल, तो आप कहाँ ही कुछ कर पाओगे ठीक से. यू आर इन अ बैड मूड. और जो खराब कर रहे हैं वो बेस्ट पावर पर है. So this is the way I normally predict stock market predictions and the geopolitics.
Okay. So just one example, and then we will go to hardcore Indian startup economy, because our community members are mostly from India.
Yes.
These are like 8,000 founders, creators, angel investors, and VCs. So when you predicted this, let's say Ukraine-Russia war, did you give this prediction to any of your big clients who's into international business, and he could save anything because of the previous prediction that you made?
Yeah, see, that is a whole and sole reason for predicting. So especially people who are into exports, उनके काफ़ी कॉल्स बढ़ जाते हैं, because whenever this happens, export किसी भी एंगल से it may get hit. So telling them that if you are in any way related to, because see, if Russia will have war with any Ukraine, तो NATO तो automatically involve हो जाएगा उसमें, और sooner or later, which actually happened, US भी होगा. So right there and then I posted my video, and then I started telling them that see ऐसे हो रहा है. Especially people who are with yearly packages, उनको मैंने ही कॉल कर देता हूँ. यहाँ मैं I would like to tell here that I have a WhatsApp community which is free, where many of my videos are not on social media. I just post a raw video. जैसे अभी मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, I'll go outside, मुझे कुछ क्लिक हो गया intuitively, I will just make a video outside and post it right away on that community कि यार ये होने वाला है,
ठीक है,
ये आप देख लेना, विदाउट एनी एडिटिंग और एनीथिंग एल्स. तो उसी टाइम पे मैंने क्लाइंट्स को बोल दिया कि मेरे हिसाब से ये वॉर होने वाला है, बी वेरी विजिलेंट अबाउट योर बिजनेस, स्पेशली ओवर एक्सपोर्ट्स इम्पोर्ट्स में. और जैसे ही वो पास पहुंची, फिर पता चलने लग गया था बाय सेकेंड वीक द वर्ल्ड वाज सेइंग कि ये होने वाला है शायद. और जैसे ही हुआ वहाँ से, तो सो दे बेनिफिट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड स्टॉक मार्केट्स भी फिर गिरेंगी अगर ऐसा कुछ वॉर शुरू होगा तो.
So basically, for a business owner who's into exports, involving multiple countries, investing money into stock markets or international stock markets, they can use astrology as a tool, geopolitical astrology as a tool to make money, save money.
They must use it.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah, it is.
So is it a science that anybody can learn, or is it like something with you, or that intuitive power that you only have or certain people only have?
No, that is not true. See, astrology is a super science.
Okay.
So, and this is the only thing which can help us. This is the only science which tells you not only about your career. See, a horoscope is divided into 12 houses.
Okay.
Each house is relevant to one of the most important fields of our life. Like the first house is about our physical and mental health.
Okay.
Second house is about family. Third about and money. थर्ड इज़ अबाउट आवर सिबलिंग्स. कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ की, हमारे भाई बहन, हमारी फैमिली, हमारी हेल्थ. देन वी विल गो टू एसेट. देन तो हमारी संतान, आवर मैरिज. तो एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली सी इट इज़ द ओनली टाइम मशीन यू हैव. यू विल नॉट गेट एनी अदर एवर. एंड इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द डे यू आर बॉर्न, एंड इट विल एंड ऑन द डे यू आर डेड.
Wow.
So this is the only time machine that will, and it is specifically made for you. आपके टाइम ऑफ बर्थ से वो शुरू होगी एंड इट विल क्लियरली टेल यू कि आपकी लाइफ में किस किस टाइम पे क्या क्या चीज़ होने वाली है.
Correct.
So you must take your help from any astrologer or any person who is predicting future through any scientific method or
Method of understanding.
method. वो होना ज़रूरी है.
Cool.
So this is the only thing we have and we must use it.
Awesome. So let's move ahead towards the Indian startup economy, and we have another year coming now, 2026. Very soon we will be celebrating the new year, and people will again go back into festivities. I am personally shooting this podcast only for one reason. That before they go into those festivities from the Christmas and mid of December and the holiday season, they should watch this podcast within November, prepare themselves for 2026 before going on the holiday,
Right.
and even make a decision whether they should go for the holiday or not. Even if there is something for them to understand more detail,
Right.
and if they want more, they can definitely come to you for more help, right? So let's understand startup ecosystem. India is like 2 lakh startups around registered in India, going high on tech also. Bangalore is a tech hub for India now. And there are 7 crore MSMEs who are the backbone of Indian business economy, right? As a general prediction, what is 2026 looking for all of them?
Okay, see, so, see, I'll be predicting a few things, but I will try to communicate the basic important thing. If the people, viewers can understand what I'm going to say, then they can also evaluate themselves that what they should do and they should not do. See, 2026 amounts to number 1.
Okay.
That is a year of sun. So if people can understand the Karkatva of sun, what it denotes, then it will be easier for them, even without my help or with my help, that what they should do and should not do. Okay. So first and foremost, regarding all these startups that we are having, or for starting a new startup, see, sun denotes high tastes. Okay, हम कहते हैं ना ये चीज़ हाई फाई है. So anything and everything that denotes high taste, ultra luxury, something very unique, something that can make a purchaser feel special. हर वो चीज़ में काम करते हैं. For example, if you are doing in clothes, then you should add up silk, you should add up handmade, you should add up जिसमें कुछ बहुत ही ancient classic नक्काशी हो, that when you sell it to someone, the person is like, यार ये तो वाकई में this I am owning this, and people when they will see it, they will feel good about me and I can give my reputation. ये कर सकते हैं. If you are going for a kitchen, if you are going for furniture, then it should be a high-end furniture. If you are going for kitchen, you should go for that ancient Vedic pure vegetarian food, strictly cooked in earthen pots, clay pots, and delivered in clay pots. वो उसमें आप अभी किचन तो सब लोग चाहते हैं ना, it is giving you maximum profit and all.
Yeah.
तो किचन में ही आप करो. मेरा काम है बताना कि आप अपने ही काम में सन को ले आओ. This is what I am trying to tell people right now. Okay. So उस तरह से आप काम कर सकते हैं. और क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, like jewelry, artificial jewelry, precious stones, rubies. Ruby is for sun itself. तो rubies हो गए, sapphires हो गए, उनमें आप काम कर सकते हैं. See, suppose you have a resort or you are in hotel business. तो sun क्या होता है? Sun is a king. So you should allocate a few rooms as king room and queen room. ऐसा कभी कहीं मैंने देखा भी है, but now this should come in a very big way.
Okay.
और अगर हम पुराने फोर्ट्स में जाते हैं, you have seen these king beds, they are so high from the ground that you have to use 2 or 3 stairs. सीढ़ी से लगी होती हैं. Give people that treatment.
Okay.
You can start with a package of हमाम. आप बोल दो हमारा 11,000, 21,000 का 90 minutes का एक पैकेज है, and we will provide you, rose water and milk and chandan and haldi and all, and we can give you मतलब anything
The luxury
that is so
treatment.
kingly, जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, and people will go, यार वहाँ पे हम जाएंगे, हमने वो बुक कराया हुआ है. So anything that you can add up the sun की जो features होते हैं, you should go with them. तो जितने भी अभी तक, जैसे अभी जो स्टार्टअप चल रहे हैं, who are already doing their business, which are medium to big or small to medium, उनमें they should add up all these things that I have said, जिसमें which can feel which can make the person feel special, and they denotes high taste, unique, ancient, and things like that. तो ये सब आप ऐड कर सकते हो अपने businesses में.
So basically, for a startup, your prediction is that from the sun's perspective, which is 2026,
Next year, yeah.
the number 1, they can add a premium segment, which is authentic luxury king and queen feeling for the customer that मेरे लिए special है, and then an ancient part to
And
it.
yeah,
Ancient
and
part to
anything
it.
that is ancient Vedic.
Vedic.
And for example, let's say, I don't know how much it will work today. It will work in 10 years, that I know. But they can start these courses of Vedas in Hindi and English.
That
They
I'm
should-
personally planning to start.
Okay, best of luck. So this is the time.
That I'm
From
personally
January you should
that I'm
start it.
that I'm personally
Yeah.
planning to start.
So the time
actually.
has come.
Yeah.
So your energy is aligned already with what is there in store for you. Yes, yes, very good.
That's again like given to me by my astrologer, right?
Okay.
That I regularly consult. That you should go into this area. Your Jupiter is good.
Yes.
Build from this.
Yes. Yes.
Right,
And sun
okay.
ka year hai. Yes.
So now we have another part of our community which is VCs, angel investors,
Oh, we got a very
and
big business.
they always have a question: how to find those startups, where to put in the money,
Right.
and how much it will grow for them. Like today, it's all about rapid.
Yeah,
हर
rapid
चीज
growth.
सबको जल्दी चाहिए,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
Everything is quick,
Yeah.
right? So, what are the areas for these people having enough money to invest in?
Yes.
Where should they invest? Especially, I would say people from the tech world, the leaders in the tech industry, they are making like too much money nowadays, right? Because they are the most required people for this fast-paced economy. इनके पास पैसा बहुत है, but because they are already into a tech job or something, they can't leave and start a business of their own. But they can invest their
Invest
money,
into business.
right?
Yes.
So,
Right.
what is the safest investment for them in 2026 as per your predictions?
Right. So, see, first of all, year of sun, so solar is definitely a good area. Already it is going good, but I think 2026 will show us that all the people who are into solar panels or anything that you can associate with solar companies, that will come in a very big way, and
Okay.
the production will really go ahead of anything that we have planned. ये तो अच्छा है ही है. Then other things and more important things of sun is that it is a life-giving force. Sun की वजह से सारी life है. So anything and everything that gives life to us. For example, I'll start with herbs. जितने भी important herbs हैं, चाहे वो हल्दी हो, चंदन हो, टर्मरिक, गिलोय, या जितनी भी important herbs हैं, अश्वगंधा है, इसके अंदर they can go to the next level. Because still many people are still not educated about how good all these things are. So starting with herbs, then things that can give us inner physical strength. For example, पंचकर्मा, नेचुरोपैथी सेंटर्स, आयुर्वेदा सेंटर्स. आज की डेट में आपको पंचकर्मा में जाना हो तो आप साउथ इंडिया जाओगे, 2.5 लाख रुपए खर्चोगे.
Yes.
There is a very big gap between demand and supply.
Yeah.
और little bit of education only it needs. थोड़ा सा
Correct.
आपको प्रमोट करना है. And पंचकर्मा, I have done पंचकर्मा, and there are people and it is amazing. आज हम क्या मिस करें? हेल्थ ही तो मिस करें.
Yes.
Sun is saying that go back to my old ways, the ancient ways, and you will be in a great shape. तो ये सारे सेंटर्स यू कैन ओपन इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया एंड एनीवेयर, ये सब आपको इसमें जाना चाहिए. दिस विल बी वेरी गुड. देन सन इज ऑल्सो आत्मकारक, तो सोल हीलिंग, डिस्टेंट हीलिंग, प्राणिक हीलिंग and Reiki healing. So people can go with this holistic view approach where we can use all ancient herbs, ancient ways of treatment and healing. This is the main thing. इसमें हमको जाना ही जाना चाहिए, and this will be great for them. इसमें the kind of अभी तो कुछ है ही नहीं. अभी तो एक पतंजलि योगग्राम है और एक ये HIMMS करके हिम्स का एक कुछ
yes,
है,
yes.
बट दे आर ऑल्सो स्टिल नॉट वो लेवल पे नहीं है. तो स्टार्टिंग नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड नेक्स्ट 5 years सन, ये इन सब दिस इज द थिंग दैट दे कैन एक्चुअली गो ऑन, और ये उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा हिट करेगा. इनफैक्ट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन आई वुड लाइक टू गिव 2 important ideas that I have for people that I think which are related to sun, and they probably are good. I don't know, हर नया आइडिया थोड़ा अजीब ही लगता है,
Okay.
बट आई कैन गो फॉर इट. तो ये चीज़ों में आपको जाना चाहिए.
That is very nice. So, anything regarding herbs, essential oils also is a part of it.
Yeah,
Luxury essential
anything
oils.
that give our body life,
Okay.
So anything that is very good. For example, turmeric, everyone knows now it is good. So essentials oils हो गए, जड़ी बूटियाँ वगैरह हो गई, और कोकोनट ऑयल का वर्जिन को अभी आ ही रहा है.
Yes.
तो इन सब चीज़ों को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाना, और जहाँ ये यूज़ होती है उनके ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर्स को लेके आना, जहाँ पे कि किसी भी तरह की थेरेपीज और सन थेरेपी एंड ऑल दिस
And do you also think people who are, let's say somebody is already into a regular business, let's say somebody like my father who's into a industrial lubricant business, so and there are millions of people, right? Not everybody will be able to start a business like you said, right?
right.
So is there something they can do in terms of, sadhana for Suryadev or
Yes,
sun,
exactly. Yes.
which will help them grow in this year?
Okay, see, so let me start like this. So, why do we do any sadhana or any puja of any planet? So, see, when we wear a gemstone, any gemstone, it increases the power of that planet in your life.
Okay.
So, gemstone must be, you should wear it only after consulting an astrologer about your horoscope. Because suppose someone has a good Shani, he should wear a blue sapphire.
Okay.
Very good for that person, politician है कोई भी है. मगर अगर आपका शनि खराब है एंड यू आर वेयरिंग ए ब्लू सफायर तो बहुत खराब कर देगा, नीलम जिसको हम बोलते हैं. सो बट द गुड पार्ट इन मंत्र जाप एंड पूजा इज दैट अगर वो प्लैनेट खराब करने आया है वो कम खराब करेगा और अच्छा करने आया तो और अच्छा करेगा. सो नॉट नोइंग अबाउट एनी पर्सनस पर्टिकुलर हॉरोस्कोप, आई वुड से दैट एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी एटलीस्ट इन 2026 उनको सूर्य को जल हर रोज चढ़ाना चाहिए. दे शुड डू सूर्य मंत्र ऑल्सो. ओम सूर्याय नमः कर सकते हैं, सूर्य के 11 नाम, सूर्य के 9 नाम, ओम सूर्याय नमः, ओम भास्कराय नमः, ये सब गूगल पे है,
ठीक है,
मिल जाएगा. और सूर्य को जल चढ़ाते हुए यू शुड डू दैट. सूर्य को जल चढ़ाने में एक बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, क्या है सिंपल मैं बता रहा हूँ कि इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट एट ड्यूरिंग द अर्ली मॉर्निंग, जब सूर्य उदय हुआ है, देन यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस. आपके भी ऊपर जैसे जैसे दिन ढलेगा यू शुड स्टार्टेड लाइक at 8 o'clock it should be like this, at 10 a.m. it should be like this.
Okay.
और अगर आपने ज़रूर करना है और सूर्यास्त का ही टाइम हो गया फिर भी करना चाहते हो, उतना लेट करना नहीं चाहिए, then you should sit on your knees and just do like this. Okay. This is the simple way of rather than getting into hundreds of videos की कैसे करते हैं,
ठीक है,
वो करना चाहिए. And there is a very simple स्त्रोत, आदित्य हृदय स्त्रोत. इट इज़ ऑफ सूर्य. ये अगर वो हर रोज़ पढ़ लें या एटलीस्ट हर संडे को पढ़ लें, दिस सिंपल 3-4 थिंग्स रिगार्डलेस ऑफ व्हाट हॉरोस्कोप यू हैव और व्हाट इज़ द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ योर सन इन योर हॉरोस्कोप, दिस विल डेफिनेटली बेनिफिट यू नेक्स्ट ईयर.
बहुत बढ़िया. अब ये है कि किसी को नया बिजनेस ना भी स्टार्ट करना, एटलीस्ट दे कैन फुलफिल दीज 3 प्रैक्टिसेस एंड मेक इट बेटर. ओके,
बेटर हेल्थ, बेटर बिजनेस, बेटर होल लाइफ.
ठीक है. अब हम एक सवाल पूछेंगे जो मेरी इस टाइम आप कह सकते हो एक पर्सनल चिंता है जियो पॉलिटिक्स को लेके. ओके, सो हमारे जो प्रिय प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं नरेंद्र मोदी, उनको ऑलमोस्ट अभी तीसरा उनका सेशन चल रहा है, राइट? एंड आई थिंक इसके बाद वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं होंगे. सो एज पर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ जियो पॉलिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, द इंडिया दैट ही हैज़ बिल्ट, कैसा टाइम होगा वो हमारे लिए? लाइक किस टाइप के फ्लक्चुएशन सडनली आएंगे एंड उस टाइम पे बिजनेसेस को क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
राइट. सो सी अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये तो एक फैक्ट है बाय इंडियाज हॉरोस्कोप और बाय मोदी जी हॉरोस्कोप दैट सी टिल द टाइम ही इज अलाइव things are very good. Even he is not our prime minister, but BJP is in power, still things will be great.
Okay.
Right. But once if he is not there, then I think at least 18 months are going to be extremely bad for us, because whatever India is doing, whatever agreements we are getting, the whole world is with Modi ji only because on his face.
Only because of his
on his face value. So they say that if BJP or our government is saying something, it will hold on with this because Modi ji is there. Once a person is not there, then everything becomes into a, it goes into a geopardy ki ye hoga ki nahi hoga, and what will the new government do? And there is a certain chance that the new government will try to reverse everything. I mean, see, one of the reasons why India is rising at a very high speed and will rise is, for example, the manufacturing of ammunitions. This could have been done before also, but it is now we are doing it. So there is a very high chance that once he is not there, within a month all factories are closed. It can happen, So I think overall, at least first 18 months can lead to a lot of chaos in the country, just because people around the world may say that even they don't know what will happen now. Ye wali baat hai. So we will have to be very careful, and stock markets will crash. Like I have been predicting the exact date of stock markets rise and fall for last 4 years, especially last 1 year. All 3 crashes I have done. दैट इज ऑन माई चैनल. आई थिंक दैट डे वो तो ऐसा क्रैश हो जाएगा इंडिया में कि अनबिलीवेबल होगा. ये तो है.
Okay.
दैट विल डेफिनेटली.
And who do you think can we predict कि कौन अगला प्राइम मिनिस्टर होगा इंडिया के लिए from the leaders that we have
From
seen?
the I from India's horoscope, because I see a very good rise. See, whenever all these things were happening, like India Pakistan war type हो गया था, or the tariff that came from America and everything, in all my podcasts and videos I have said India will rise. And even after अभी काफी problem आया था, then India became the fourth largest ना, defeating
fourth
Japan.
largest economy.
Then on my video I said that, see, on that day I said that India will do good. So overall I see India only growing. So I do not see any other party coming as the major political party in India and winning the election for another at least 5 years. If he goes, then definitely I do not see Yogi Adityanath as Prime Minister of India. That is the main phase that everybody asks me all the time.
Yeah.
So there will be a person who will neither be Mr. Shah nor it will be Yogi Adityanath. Someone else will be there, even if that person is only a face for international face and Indian face. But ये दो लोग तो नहीं होंगे. That I can say.
मेरी गट फीलिंग कभी कभी बोलती है स्मृति ईरानी हो सकती है.
हाँ देखिए, हो सकता है वो डेफिनेटली. शी इज नाउ शी इज कमिंग बैक ना फ्यू आपकी अदालत एंड ऑल. सो शी इज प्रिपेयरिंग. आई डोंट हैव हर हॉरोस्कोप दो, बट येस, इंडिया बीइंग अ टॉरस ascendant country, there is a good chance that it's been a long time we had a real prime minister who is a mahila prime minister.
Yeah.
So that is possible.
बिकॉज मैं जब इन चीज़ों को देखता हूँ कि कौन कौन है, लेट्स से मोदी जी जब नहीं होंगे तो कौन कौन होगा उनके होने के बाद, लाइक उनके प्राइम मिनिस्टर पद से उतरने के बाद. सो जब मैं देखता हूँ कि ओके कौन कौन है, ठीक है, अमित शाह हैं, योगी आदित्यनाथ हैं, मुझे ना एक अच्छा फीलिंग हमेशा स्मृति ईरानी को लेके आता है. एक सेम पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, पावरफुल एनर्जी, मीडिया प्रेजेंस इज अमेजिंग, जो कि चाहिए दुनिया के लिए, राइट. अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी एंड डायरेक्टली वर्किंग विद मोदी जी नाउ, राइट. सो मुझे कभी कभी लगता है, बाकी आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी इफ शी बिकम्स, राइट, बिकॉज वो वैल्यू सिस्टम आई थिंक वो ड्रिवन है हमारे देश में कहीं ना कहीं. ठीक है. सो एज यू सेड दैट कैन बी क्योस, बट येस, जब तक हमारे पास गवर्नमेंट है इंडिया विल राइज एनीवे. ठीक है. सो अब बात करते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट की. हमारा इंडिया का एक बहुत बड़ा चंक है. आई थिंक दीज आर मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ जॉब गोअर्स, 9 to 5 पीपल, जिनके लिए स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा लगाना एक सेकेंडरी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है, या फिर वो उसको वेल्थ क्रिएशन का एक पार्ट मानते हैं. बट मुझे फिर भी ऐसा लगता है जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने वेल्थ वहाँ से बनाई नहीं है.
हाँ, मैं बनाई तो है मगर लूज कर दी है.
लूज भी कर देते हैं साथ साथ. तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि कोई वॉरेन बुफे बन गया हो वहाँ से,
Yes.
या कोई दूसरा निखिल कामत, नितिन कामत बन गया हो, राइट. बहुत ही कम नंबर है. सो इन लोगों के लिए आपका अगले साल का क्या प्रेडिक्शन है? इन्हें कहाँ स्टॉक्स में पैसा लगाना चाहिए? और इनके लिए लाइक एक डिटेल्ड गाइडेंस अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि 3-4 मिनट में आपको समझाना हो, जिससे अगर ये लोग सुन लें और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर लें तो उनका स्टॉक मार्केट का जो करियर है, इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों मैंने ऐसे भी देखा है जो कहते हैं कि यार यहाँ से थोड़ा ठीक हो जाएगा ना, फिर मैं जॉब छोड़ दूंगा.
अरे बहुत ही गलत. मैं तो
आई विल डू समथिंग ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स, है ना.
That is not the right way to go.
हाँ.
Yeah, so see what happened was that we had this great rally of Mothers of Our rally from 2020 till 24. So it was exactly in September 2024 that I started. So there was this small correction in 2022 and 23 which I had already predicted before the crash a couple of months back. And normally suppose if I predicted कि जनवरी में बोला मार्च में मार्केट गिरेगी, 7th मार्च को मिलेगी सपोज. सो आई विल ऑलवेज पुट अ वीडियो ऑन 5th of March कि 2 दिन रह गए, अब होने वाला, टू सो दैट पीपल अगर भूल गए हैं तो दे शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल, यार अब कुछ होने वाला. तो राइट फ्रॉम सितंबर आई स्टार्टेड प्रेडिक्टिंग ऑन माई वीडियोज़ कि भाई अक्टूबर नवंबर इज़ वेरी बैड फॉर स्टॉक मार्केट्स. 2024 की बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड 2025 का February, March, April इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी बैड. एंड सिंपली जस्ट बी अवे फ्रॉम स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर 6 months. आपने इतना अच्छा कमा रखा है.
Yes.
मतलब people who do not know even ABCD thinks that they know so much because they were having 3-4x amount of their money, but nobody was interested. And then we had a good correction in October, November, and then February, March, April. As I just said that I gave a warning video in February first week वही होने वाला है. फिर वहाँ बहुत खराब हो गया. So that was a time then many hundreds of people they joined my community, and then I came to know about what you said. कि वो सोच रहे थे अच्छा लोग तो जॉब छोड़ के ही बैठे हुए हैं,
हाँ
मैंने 2 साल पहले जॉब छोड़ दी. सो आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन देम कि पहली बात ये है कि ये हमारा एक्स्ट्रा मनी है जो एक अच्छी वेकेशन के लिए बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए यूज़ करो एंड ऑल दैट.
यस
ठीक है, ये हुआ. फिर देन बिकॉज सी नाउ द टाइम फ्रॉम दिस ईयर जनवरी जियोपॉलिटिकल हैज गॉन सो बैड दैट आई टेल एवरीबडी प्लीज फॉरगेट दैट रैली फॉर एवर. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू टेल पीपल राइट नाउ. ठीक है, उसको तो आप भूल ही जाओ. देन जब अप्रैल में सब ठीक हुआ, देन आई हैड दिस पॉडकास्ट इन आई थिंक इन अप्रैल और समवेयर वेयर आई वेरी क्लियरली आई प्रेडिक्टेड दैट 20th ऑफ जुलाई से 20th ऑफ अगस्त करेक्शन फिर से होगी एग्जैक्टली ऑन 22. और फिर वही मैंने 10 जुलाई को फिर वीडियो डाला, देखो होने वाली. देन 22 जुलाई को मार्केट स्टार्टेड करेक्टिंग एट अ वेरी फास्ट पेट. तब फिर से बहुत कुछ ये आया था. एंड आई थिंक ऑन 5th ऑफ अगस्त आई प्रेडिक्टेड कि 15 अगस्त से इट विल गो अप. फॉर्चुनेटली इट वॉज प्योर इंट्यूशन ऑन दैट डे. एंड 15 अगस्त के बाद जो फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग डे था एकदम इंडिया ने 100,000 पॉइंट्स की रैली करी थी. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम इन डूइंग राइट नाउ. और मेरे पास रोज़ ही कॉल आता है कि अब अगला महीना ये हो. सो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई हैव टू से 2 थिंग्स हेयर. एक चीज़ बहुत इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अगेन इन माई लास्ट पॉडकास्ट आई वेरी क्लियरली प्रेडिक्टेड एज आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट आई प्रेडिक्ट बाय डेट. I said that relations between India and America will start improving from between 15th of October 2025 till 31st of January 2026.
Okay.
We have already received one good news after 15th of October about H1B visa relaxation. And as per my calculation, I am very sure that before 31st of January 2026, we will receive some relaxations in tariffs and other trade agreement maybe also.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. सो दिस विल व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल क्रिएट अ यूफोरिया कि अब सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, फिर से दिन आ गए, स्टॉक मार्केट विल गो अप. बट आई वुड से दैट पीपल शुड स्टिल बी वेरी केयरफुल. स्पेशली अभी मैं कोई प्रडिक्शन नहीं कर रहा हूँ एग्जैक्ट डेट वाली, बट आई थिंक राइट फ्रॉम दिसंबर 2025 टिल May 2026, इसके बीच में अचानक ही ड्यू टू सम बैड न्यूज things can reverse and stock markets can again correct very heavily.
Okay.
So the exact dates I have not calculated yet because I was not ready for this podcast. In any case, 4 दिन पहले तो हमने सोचा ही कि हम करने वाले. So within a month I will provide the exact dates, but I will tell people that they should not be over invested right now also. Things are going to get better. अभी जल्द जैसा मैंने बताया कुछ अच्छा होगा, बढ़िया है, बट यू शुड बी ऑलवेज इन्वेस्टेड ओनली 70% या 60% एज ऑफ नाउ. एंड वंस वी आर इन टू एंड ऑफ दिसंबर और जनवरी, वहाँ से लेके नेक्स्ट ईयर मई तक थिंग्स आर नॉट गुड इन द वर्ल्ड. सो यू शुड बी ऑन बैकफुट ओनली.
Okay. In terms of stock market, overall, you say that people
Overall,
should be
geopolitical
very
leading
cautious,
to stock market.
very cautious.
Very cautious.
So I would suggest everybody follow Vaibhav for more insights when and as they come in terms of dates and all, so that they can like have more precise understanding, right? And what about investments in gold and silver? Like
Yes,
there was a sudden hike.
There was a very long big hike and then
Yeah.
sudden fall, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so I see. Honestly speaking, I have not made any recent calculations in gold and silver. 2024 October, I had posted a video on gold and silver कि ये बहुत ऊपर जाने वाला है, which happened. So overall, I would say that people should be now again careful again from January to June next year regarding silver especially.
Okay.
And gold, I do not see a big rise. I do see stability or a small rise from here.
Okay.
But not what वही बात है ना कि the rally that people have seen, they do not understand that how can things can go rise at that pace only.
Yes.
So gold still will be the one of the safest, that it may be stable for some time, for many months. Rise may also come, but not something that we should start investing and it will go up. वो 1.5 लाख का जो एंगल है वो अचीव होते होते हो सकता है बहुत टाइम ही लग जाए. एंड सिल्वर शुड बी, पीपल शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल. ये जो एक फॉल आई है 30% की है क्या, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली.
Yes.
Some big fall has happened. So I am no way they should think that now we can invest and it will again go up.
Got it.
वो कोई राइज भी होगा तो छोटा मोटा ही होता है.
So, Vaibhav, it was really amazing understanding a lot of different aspects, from astrology as a tool to startups, using it on politics, understanding the stock market. Now, the hottest questions of today, AI, right?
AI,
The technology,
yes,
the
it is.
growth of AI. Youngsters are becoming billionaires in a span of 2 to 3 years, building AI companies. CEOs of the world, of the biggest of the companies, are fighting AI battles to implement AI into their companies, sometimes reducing the workforce and firing thousands and thousands of employees, right? What do you think about AI? Like, if I am a startup founder, I am not a billionaire yet, how much should I be worried about using AI? Or is it just another tool like any other technology and I should be just normally confident about it?
Okay, so see, this is an important question, and it has. See, I would answer this in this problem or whatever you call it. It has two aspects. One is, अगर मैं clearly बोलूँ, so basically, is AI really going to replace people by that speed and employees? So that way, I would say that I don't think that the way people used to think, the speed at which they were thinking that they will start using AI as employees and doing उतनी speed से तो नहीं होगा.
Okay.
And in many different sectors, they will have to re-employ people, and they have to reshift and reallocate how they have to use it. AI. So AI का use for as an employee and for many more things will not be uh, at that level that people were thinking. That
Okay.
is what I want to say, and not in next year at least. Okay, in the year of sun, I do not see it happening a
So
lot.
can we say that technology is mostly connected with a planet called Rahu? So can we say it was an illusion? Like Rahu is known
because
for
Rahu,
creating
it is.
illusions.
So again, there are two answers for it. Yes, Rahu से ही connect होती है AI, IT and AI, and Rahu is illusion. ठीक है, मगर इस illusion का एक second part भी है. तो where we are living is in Maya. Maya is illusion.
Okay.
तो illusion का illusion है वो. So AI as of now, as I've already said that it will not be replacing people at that speed, but it will come in a very big way in and by year 2029.
Okay.
It is very important for even normal people like you and us who are not like into startups or something, that we must educate ourselves about AI, and because it will keep on growing at a very high speed.
Got it.
तो अभी क्या है कि अगर 100 लोग सोचे थे रिप्लेस होंगे पर 30 ही हो रहे हैं, पर 2 साल बाद 40 हो जाएंगे, और उससे ज़्यादा खतरे. और मतलब आई वुड से दैट बाय 2029 और इन 2029 लेवल में केम दैट वी मे स्टार्ट डाउटिंग आवर ओन रियलिटी. मुझे लगेगा मैं ही वैभव हूँ या ओरिजिनल या ये वाला है. मतलब
Okay.
तो AI विल गो इनटू सो मैनी थिंग्स इन मीडिया स्पेशली दैट आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि हो क्या रहा है. सच और झूठ का डिफरेंस तो
वो तो हम अभी देख पा रहे
वो
हैं.
तो हाँ, राहु का साल तो आने दो.
अच्छा,
तो
राहु
अभी
का साल
से-
है 2029.
29, हाँ, बिकॉज
So
राहु इज नंबर 4.
2029 is
Number 4.
number 4. Okay.
ठीक है, 9 है, हाँ, नंबर
Yes.
4. सो बेसिकली मुझे क्या कहना है कि अभी तो हम बचे हुए हैं, एंड थिंग्स विल हैव टू बी रीशिफ्ट एंड री allocated in a way, but it will not stop and it will come into very big way again. तब वो प्रॉब्लम होगी. और वो सिर्फ जॉब इज़ ए वेरी स्मॉल थिंग कि एम्प्लॉयज़ वो किस लेवल पे आपको कर जाएगा, आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है. तो इसीलिए even if people sees as a bubble or something, we must educate ourselves, and school education AI के बारे में everyone should be educated how we should operate it and things like that. क्योंकि otherwise उन लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आएगा, हम लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा.
Makes
We are
sense.
40 plus कि यार ये हो क्या रहा है और हम इसके लिए क्या करें.
सही बात है.
अपना काम छोड़ के हमें टाइम लगाना पड़ेगा कि ये इसको कैसे डील करना है. तो उसको हम नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते.
So
This is
basically,
a threat.
AI as a education should come into mainstream now, so that people are aware what is right, what is wrong, what is a truth, what is a illusion.
और
Right.
धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा सर.
धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा. Okay, perfect. Okay, so Vaibhav, it has been a great podcast talking to you, and I think I can go on for maybe 2-3 more hours
I
if
love
we
it.
sit with a pen and paper and I can ask you a lot of deeper questions. But I think ये 1 घंटा अगर लोग digest कर पाएं, उसको समझ पाएं, and फिर आपके पास personally आ पाएं तो ज़्यादा better रहता है, right? I kind of hate giving generic advices to masses because लोग उसको गलत तरीके से use कर लेते हैं अपने perception के हिसाब से. So I will invite anybody who want to talk more to Vaibhav. You will find a number in the description, a link in the description to his Instagram account. You can reach out to him and then ask your personal questions, right? Just last question. Let's say if you have to give 2 crazy business ideas for 2026 for the aspiring entrepreneurs who are about to start a business in 2026, who are right now figuring out an idea, what are those 2 ideas would be?
Okay, see, so I think as an astrologer and then connecting sun now as we are talking about it to the business ideas, as you said, crazy maybe. they may sound. See, I think first and foremost, the most important thing, see, opportunity will come from demand, right? So as a parent and as a person who is in mid 40s, I think the most important thing that I am concerned about is about my kids' health. And we all know that anything that is related to kids, it always sells,
Yes.
right? So one of these businesses that I have come across in last 5 years are this kids play area.
Kids play area.
Right.
Okay.
They are doing very well. They ask you for this 600 to 900 rupees for 1 hour, and then your kids are there. And then after playing there, they will eat that pasta and pizza also. And you are selling that pasta for 400 rupees or 500 rupees a pizza, right? So if we can add this area with health, so I think still most of the people, they do not know that mud, simple mud, मिट्टी होती है ना, हम जब गार्डन में जाते हैं, that is one of the best healing agents.
Yes.
Okay, for our health, for our electromagnetic field, जो चीज़ कहीं और से नहीं मिलेगी आपको. It heals our electromagnetic field, जो garden में normal brown मिट्टी होती है.
Yes.
It heals our aura. It gives us energy, regenerates us in a great way. In fact, before going with the topic, मैं लोगों को ये बोलूँगा, जिन लोगों को एक अच्छी हैबिट है कि वो सुबह शाम वॉक पे जाते हैं गार्डन्स में, प्लीज़ गो देयर बेयरफुट. आप 90% काम तो कर ही रहे हो,
Right.
तो गो देयर बेयरफुट एंड सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, सो हम लोग क्यों, हमारी इम्यूनिटी बहुत अच्छी है बच्चों से, बिकॉज हम मिट्टी में खूब खेलते
खूब
हैं.
बहुत खेलते थे.
सो
yes.
यू जस्ट हैव टू एजुकेट पीपल अ बिट कि हाउ मड कैन इंक्रीज द योर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. और आप प्ले एरिया में एक सेपरेट एरिया बना दो विच इज हैविंग दिस मड, और उनको यू गिव देम क्लोथ विच सो दैट द लिम्स आर आउट, कि हम चेंज कर देंगे, ये प्रोवाइड करो. और साथ में आई थिंक अगर आप ये बोल दोगे कि वी डू नॉट प्रोवाइड पास्ता विद मनी, every child have to, you know, we are providing 1 glass of juice of 400 rupees which is freshly made in front. जूसर वहीं रखा है, ये हमने अनार निकाला बनाया, pomegranate, pineapple, कुछ भी, that your child will have 1 glass of fruit and pasta is free. 400 रुपये में वही दे दो आप. और बच्चे ना बहुत शाणे हैं, उनको पता है यार, उनको 5 ही मिनट लगेंगे ये करने में कि यार ये जूस का ग्लास पी लेते हैं जैसे भी. तो व्हेन एज ए पेरेंट आई नो कि यार वो 400 रुपये में ग्लास जूस का दे रहा है, या उसको 50 रुपये उसके भी ले लो, एंड माई चाइल्ड विल प्ले इन दैट एरिया ऑल्सो, तो वो हेल्दी होके आ रहा है, जूस भी पी रहा है. सो आई थिंक, और थोड़ा सा लोगों को एजुकेट करना पड़ेगा हाउ गुड दैट प्लेस इज.
करेक्ट.
आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग. पीपल आर ऑलरेडी प्ले एरिया, इसको आप बिग वे में लेके आओ.
ठीक है.
People can go with.
So connecting kids play zones with the health.
With the health, हाँ.
With the health and a bit of, you know, premium segment for the people, like you said about the sun energy.
हाँ, सन
ठीक
एनर्जी.
है.
और यू नो एक बार लोग आ गए तो दे आर, एवरीबडी इज इंटेलिजेंट. वो उसमें ऑयल्स ले आए,
Yes.
चाहे हर्ब्स ले आए, विद इन द मड वी आल्सो गिव टर्मरिक भी हम ऐड, कुछ भी कर लो
हाँ,
यार.
वो कुछ भी कर सकते
वो
हैं.
कुछ भी कर
Yes.
सकते हैं. तो this
And
is-
what is the second crazy
तो
idea?
सेकंड इज मोर क्रेजियर. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई विल लुक टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, बट दिस केम इन माई माइंड. सी, सो आई लिव इन गुड़गांव, राइट? तो इन माई सोसाइटी देयर आर 1500 फ्लैट्स.
Okay.
दिस इज फॉर द बिल्डर्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, यू नो द बिग VCs एंड एंजल. और तो इसमें क्या है कि मैंने एक बार देखी यार, मेरे सोसाइटी में ना 3 स्विमिंग पूल हैं और 6000 लोग हैं. एक में तो मैंने किसी को कभी देखा ही नहीं आज तक. और ऑन गुड डेज ऑफ द पूल आई हैव सीन 18-20 पीपल ऑन दैट प्लेस. 6 महीने वो बंद रहता है. तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग टुडेज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हेल्थ एंड देन अगेन द एंशिएंट थिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, मुझे तो ये लगा कि यार इफ दे कैन डू अ सर्वे इन मार्केट बिफोर मेकिंग द नेक्स्ट सोसाइटी, कि वी विल -1 pool and make a gaushalla there, and I am serious about that.
Awesome.
See, if a society can give me 1 liter of milk every day or half a liter, depending on I don't have a knowledge about cows and everything, but same area you use a gaushalla which is open and everything, and everyone knows कि भाई ये इतना चारा खिलाते हैं और हर फैमिली को 1 लीटर दूध मिलता है, क्योंकि दूध आप 200 रुपये लीटर ले लो, वो भी आपको नहीं पता यार ये क्या है, या वो आ भी रहा है हमारे पास, तो ये पहले दिन अच्छा आया था, दूसरे दिन अच्छा आया था.
I think you have the space already when you are a builder.
You are a space ना,
Right.
आप swimming
You
pool
have
कम
to
ना करके
hire
भी
a
कर लो.
person who can manage the gaushala,
Yes.
right? And again, you know, जैसे आपने बताया कि बच्चों को healthy space जो खेलने के लिए चाहिए, it can be with cows as
With
well.
cow,
It is
you-
amazing.
बच्चे जाएं, वो काऊ को प्यार करें.
Yes.
सब कुछ. So,
लोग
you know,
वृंदावन जाते हैं ना उसके लिए करने,
उसके
फिर
लिए
वो
हाँ.
वीडियो डालते हैं, रील डालते हैं, दिखाते हैं.
आपको बुद्ध का उपाय करना है ना,
हाँ.
आप वो चारा आप जाके खिलाओ. हर Wednesday
Actually,
को
में, you know,
green
what
color
you
का.
are saying is like a builder has a space to build an ecosystem.
Yes, he has.
You know,
and especially and
yes.
with the gaushala, because if I can see ये दूध प्योर है, मेरे घर आएगा. दिस इज वन गुड थिंग. एंड देन सिमिलर विद ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, आप एक
Yes.
एरिया अलॉट कर दो. मुझे लगता है कि बीइंग अ रेस्टोरेंटर ना, आई वुड से वो तो फ्लॉप हो गया, बट कोई इनपुट यहाँ तो दूँ
Correct.
कि आई थिंक 50% ऑफ आवर फूड इज आलू प्याज टमाटर ओनली.
Yes.
अगर आप ये 3 चीज़ें उगालोगे ना ऑर्गेनिक, क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक जो लोग दे रहे हैं वो भी ना सच में सेमी ऑर्गेनिक लिखने लगे हैं,
हाँ
कहीं से नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes.
अभी आई वॉज देयर विद सम पीपल हु आर इनटू फार्मिंग, मैं उनके साथ कहीं गया था. एंड दोज पीपल, मैंने उनसे पूछा यार, उन्होंने बोला यार हम फार्मिंग करते हैं, हम बता रहे हैं कुछ नहीं ऑर्गेनिक, बट इन योर सोसाइटी आप इतना कर लो कि हर घर को 200 ग्राम प्याज हर दूसरे दिन मिल जाती है. सो दीज आर 2 थिंग्स नाउ वी हैव टू कम ऑन दिस, कि अगर अपने घर में ही नहीं उगा सकता इतनी टमाटर प्याज, तो कम से कम सोसाइटी में दो. और यार आज लोग वन BHK के लिए 2 करोड़ रुपए दे रहे हैं. एटलीस्ट पीपल हु कैन अफोर्ड इन दिल्ली, NCR, बैंगलोर, उनको ये आइडिया करना चाहिए. इट शुड सेल लाइक.
एंड आई थिंक बच्चों को तो ये भी नहीं पता प्याज पेड़ पे उगता है कि नीचे उगता है.
हाँ,
दे हैव नॉट
exactly.
सीन इट. हमने फिर भी देखा है. एंड आई कुड रिलेट टू इट बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन एवर आई टॉक टू माई मदर इन लॉ, शी इज लाइक हमारी सोसाइटी के आसपास तो गाय नहीं है. उन्हें बड़ा पसंद है कि वो रोज सुबह उतरे गाय को रोटी खिला के आए,
खिला के.
बिकॉज दैट्स आवर कल्चर.
हाँ,
That's
अरे
Indian culture,
गाँव
right?
का सबसे बुरा हाल इंडिया
है
में
ना?
है भाई.
सो वो जहाँ मेरी सोसाइटी है वहाँ पे खेत हैं थोड़े से. सो वो हमेशा वो रोटियां मुझे पैक करके देती हैं थैली में कि वहाँ जाओगे तो गाय को खिला दे.
तो मतलब हमारे आइडिया में फूड तो ऑलरेडी इतना है उनके पास.
Yes.
अच्छा घर का फूड कि
Yes.
हर फैमिली जा रही होगी यार आज मैं खिलाऊंगा, आज तुम खिलाओ.
यस. एंड
वो तो
इवन
भी
यू नो
होगी.
जो भी आप वेजिटेबल चॉपिंग करते हो उसके छिलके होते हैं वो सब काउ फॉडर में बहुत आराम से जाता है. You know vegetables.
ये तो अच्छा.
Cool. So we have 2 amazing ideas. Kids play zone with some health element into it. And for a lot of builders and real estate guys who are listening here, build a ecosystem which is like with farming and some animals within the society so that the ecosystem can grow well and they are very well connected.
आई थिंक इंडियाज फर्स्ट कंप्लीटली ग्रीन सोसाइटी के नाम से इसको प्रमोट होना चाहिए. फुल
I will personally talk about this to some of my builder friends for sure. And thank you so much everyone for listening to this podcast. And if you really love what we do here, do subscribe to our community, be part of our community, and Vaibhav will be part of that community from now on. I will add him to the group and you will be able to connect. I am personally always available to talk to my community. There is no intern, no one else. And in the description of this YouTube channel, you will find all the links. Even we will be launching certain new merchandise for all of you to the Patreon community members. And signing off for this episode, and we'll see you again for the next season of this Success Brew podcast, which will be systems and scalability. Thank you.